Hey guys, Alec here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add a user to Active Directory. So the prerequisites for this is that you have Active Directory installed on a Windows Server machine. So what we're going to do first is we are going to go down to our Start menu, and we can access this one of two ways. So we can either click on Server Manager, wait for that to pop up. Now if it pops up this right here for the Windows Admin Center, just clear that out. I'm going to select don't show this again because it's kind of annoying. But you go up here and you click on Tools in the top right hand corner, and then you select Active Directory, Users, and Computers. So this is going to pop up this window right here, and this is where you're going to add your users. So let me go ahead and show you the second way to access this menu. So once again, if you click on your Start menu, you'll see this Windows Administrative Tools. Now this is essentially everything that you see inside the tools list in your Server Manager. So you'll see Active Directory, Users, and Computers here. So I can click on that. And your domain is going to be selected by default. So I'm going to expand this down. Now typically you'd want to put this inside of an organizational unit. So that is what we're going to do now. And basically what an organizational unit does is it allows us to manage users in bulk. So let's say I have a network share that I want to give access to the sales team. Instead of giving each individual access to the shared folder, I would just assign the organizational unit access to the share folder. So it's a great way to manage users inside of Active Directory. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click on my domain right here, go under New, and scroll down to Organizational Unit. So let's say I am creating a sales organizational unit. Now you can select to protect this container from accidental deletion. Recommend that you keep that enabled just in case you select the wrong organizational unit to delete. So I'm going to click OK right here, and it's going to pop up this new organizational unit. So there's one of two ways that I can add a user inside here. So I can right click in this white space right here, choose New, and select User, and that pops up the new object user creation box. Or I can go up here and click this little person right here and do that. So let's say this person's name is Josh. Don't worry about the middle initial. You can put that in if you want. It's not necessary or mandatory in any way, shape, or form. And his last name is going to be Smith. So his full name is Josh Smith. Now, in order for simplicity's sake, we'll just put J Smith. Or you can put Josh Smith. Either one is perfectly fine. You'll see that it automatically populates this user logon for Windows pre-2000. We don't really worry about this one. This is going to be the main one that you really want to worry about. And then if this Active Directory controller runs multiple domains on it, you can select which domain you want this user to be part of. So in this case, I only have one domain on here, so I'm going to leave that selected. And I'm going to click Next. And now it's going to prompt you to set up a password. So make sure that this password meets the complexity requirements. So I'm going to type one in now. Perfect. Now you can set this so that the user must change the password at next logon. I would recommend that because as IT personnel, it is very important that you don't know a user's password, and I think that's something that a lot of people don't exactly take away from this. So we're going to make them change the password at the next logon so they don't have this default one. Now you can set it to where the user does not have to change the password by unclicking this box, but I would strongly urge you to make the user change their password. So we're going to click Next, and then we click Finish. And now Josh Smith is able to log into your domain using the J Smith username and then the password that you provided. So thank you for watching this video, and stay tuned for more videos in the future.